All right, so this video is going to be on the Mirkit Foldable Antenna. So this is Mirkit Foldable Tactical Antenna, 18.7 inch SMA-Female Connector Dual Band VHF, UHF for UV5R. All right, so let's go ahead and get it opened up. And currently the one that I've used for about a year now, which I'll link it. I just like the little shorty antenna. This, whenever I lived in town, when my wife and I were testing it out, it was going about 3 miles. And again, that is heavily populated. Now that I live out in the country and line of sight being a little bit different for terrain out here, probably get a little bit better. But now that it's out of the packaging, so we'll go ahead and unscrew this one and screw the foldable antenna on. And there is a little bit of a gap in there. I just now noticed that inside that package, all the way at the bottom, was a washer. So let's get that put on. It also comes with a Velcro strap for whenever you do fold it up. Okay, so let's put that through. Go ahead and punch out the center. All right. Okay. And that is the finished product. I don't have a fancy tripod or anything. This is just a little one that I used for my GoPro, so I apologize if this doesn't capture the entire setup. But anyway, you can fold it anywhere that you want it. Fold it roughly into thirds. And then you can put your Velcro strap through. These are just like any kind of Velcro cable ties. And then that's the finished product. And as I do in all my videos, this is purely just an unboxing. I will test it out and I'll do a follow-up video in a couple weeks, months, depending on how it goes. Keep in mind it is winter time right now and no one's really doing anything, and we're in COVID 2021, so things are a little bit different right now. So that's this antenna. I will link it and the small one that I used whenever, like I said, I got about 3 miles in city. Out here is much different, but I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.